Okay guys, so I want to show you how you can build a highly optimized website in half an hour to an hour, depending on how fast you can accomplish things. Probably at the beginning you'll do this in 1 hour or maybe a little bit more because you need to create accounts, and that's what's gonna take time. But otherwise, just follow along those videos. I'm going to explain everything I do. And it's very simple. So, but if you're struggling with any of this, just rewatch the videos and just follow along. It's really step by step. At worst, just hire a teenager or a kid and give them maybe $10 or $20. Have them watch those videos, the next videos, and have them do exactly what I'm showing you. So, all right, there are two things you're gonna need. The first thing will be a domain name, and the second one is a hosting account. So why do you need that? So alright, so you have a domain name, you want to send people to a website, right? So you're gonna have to buy that domain name so you can own it. And then this domain name, you need to link it to a hosting account. And a hosting account is basically where you're going to put all your files so that when people go online, they can view your website, right? That's what a hosting account is. Don't worry, there's nothing technical at all that you need to know, okay? And the reason being is because when you get the right hosting account, they have everything as click and play, basically. You just click buttons, you choose options, and that's it. You don't need to know any type of coding or anything like that. So what we would recommend, because I'm going to show you all the videos with HostGator. So get a HostGator account, and I have a link on the resource box. Just click that link, you get to this page, and the first thing you need to do, you need to go to web hosting. Okay, so here there are many different plans depending on what you need, but I'm just going to assume you're starting out and you want a simple web hosting solution, and I'm going to show you how to get multiple domains into one hosting, or the other plan, which is just one domain, one hosting. I advise you for you to get multiple domains into one hosting account, because like that you can build many websites. So anyway, you just click on web hosting like you saw, and you can scroll down. There are different plans, and the first one is the Hatchling, and that's the main difference. It says single domain, so that means you can only have one domain name in that hosting account, and it's $4.95, starts at $4.95. However, if you pay $3 more per month, which is nothing, you can get unlimited domains, right? So this is the one I have been using for a long time, and what a lot of affiliates use, when they're building sniper sites or sites to optimize and get search engine rankings, and then you make money by promoting affiliate products. So I'm gonna go to this one because that's the one I would recommend. Okay, $7.95 a month, and I think that's if you go for a 3-year deal. Otherwise it's $9.95, which is still cheap, very cheap for unlimited domains. So you just click on order now, and now there's a two-step process. Either you have already a domain name. In this case, you have to choose, I will use my existing domain name, and you need to enter your domain name here. Okay, if you don't have, and we are going to assume you do not have, you register a new domain name. So you basically make a search. I don't know, I'm gonna say my new domain here, okay, .com. Hopefully this will be available. You just click on next, and it's available, and basically you can buy it. All right, just choose the option you want. If you want to buy the .net or .org, that's fine, and then click on continue. If you already had a domain name, it's very simple. You just choose, I will use my existing domain, you type in your domain, and then you click on next. Okay, so for example, my domain here .org, click on next, And okay, so it has a set up the domain name, and I need to choose the package, the hosting package basically. So it is the baby one, the one that we selected before. It has already all these things you know, selected. And actually there's a coupon here, Snowman. I'm not sure if it's still available, but it looks like it's working. Just try it out. Then you click on calculate totals. And basically it tells you the total. There's a coupon here, discount, Snowman. And you just say, okay, I'm a new customer, continue. What's gonna happen, guys, you need to put your credit, your credit card details, pay for that, and you're gonna get an email to get started, all right? If you had chosen a domain name, okay, you did not have a domain name, the only things that you have, you pick up your domain that you want, and then you complete the process by selecting the hosting plan that you want to do. So straightforward, guys. Just buy your hosting account that you want, and once you're ready, you're gonna get an email, and I will show you now in the next videos how you will have access to what's called the cPanel, and basically it's a control panel where you can get to do many things, and I will show you exactly what you need to do. So this video is really getting started, is setting up the account. Now the next video will count as how long it takes to build a website. Okay, so you should have received an email from HostGator telling you that everything's confirmed, and likely your login URL to go to the domain name, to go to your cPanel, is yourdomainname.com/cPanel. So of course you will replace your domain name with whatever is appropriate for you, and when you go, you're gonna have to log in. Just want to add a quick note. If you had chosen to say, I already have a domain name, the only thing you need to do is you need to change the name server details for that domain to point to HostGator. So when you got an email from HostGator, it will tell you, okay, these are the name servers, and it will give you two, it looks like a URL, okay? It says ns, a number, dot something, maybe .hostgator.com, okay? Check your emails, you should have that. And what you need to do, you need to log in, and actually I'm gonna show you with the domain name registrar that I use.